Kirill here. Here I have iMac motherboard, and I couldn't find a lot of information about the transition from a native Apple SSD to NVMe SSD. So I thought like maybe I can show you. This is the adapter that you can buy on eBay or AliExpress, and I was wondering if it actually gonna fit, because this adapter contains information that it's M2 to 2013-2017 MacBook. But what I would like to show you guys that, and this is what I have, it's like 2280 NVMe M2 SSD, and you can just plug it here and then plug your SSD and push a little bit more, so you see it fits perfectly, and you don't need to have any other adapters. So let's just fix this, and that's it, as simple as that. So go ahead and buy this small thingy and be happy.